This is a demo of my PyBadge metronome that's written in CircuitPython. So I'll turn it on, boots up, and there's the metronome. So the features the metronome has are, the first thing is it helps with built-in help system. So if you press the help button, you get the help information. And basically it uses all the buttons on the PyBadge. So the first interesting button is to turn off the first beat click. So I do that, and now there's no accent on the first beat. I'll turn it back on. Now the next thing you might want to do is change the beats per minute. So you do that with the up and down arrows. And you can also use the left and right arrows to change the beats per minute by 1 instead of by 10. Okay, and now the last interesting feature. Oh, well, there's also the start and stop feature. So I can stop it with the start button and restart it. And the last feature is the ability to change the number of beats, the time signature, the number of beats in a measure. So there's 6/8. And there's 2/4. 3/4 for your waltz. And I guess that's it. Thanks.